It's picnic and grilling season and time to make those good side dishes like baked beans, macaroni salad, and potato salad. I'm Tess, and today I'm making potato salad that everyone will love. Stay tuned. This is a recipe from one of my Amish cookbooks. For potato salad, you can use the same dressing as I used in my macaroni salad, but today I'm making it the old-fashioned way. This is a cooked dressing, and it's more deli style. I've made potato salad both ways over the years, but this is my favorite. I'm using about 3 pounds of russet potatoes, and you can use red potatoes. You can even leave the skin on, but today I peeled them and cut them into about 3/4 of an inch or bite-sized pieces. I placed them in cold water, and now I'm bringing them up to a boil and cooking them until they're fork tender. You still want a little bite to the potatoes because when you drain them, they will continue to cook a little until they cool. I'm draining the potatoes and not touching them until they completely cool to room temperature. While the potatoes are cooling, I'm going to make the dressing. I have my heat still off. In a saucepan, I'm adding in a couple eggs, sugar, cornstarch, and salt, giving that a good whisk. Now I'm adding in some apple cider vinegar, milk, and some dry mustard, giving that another whisk and turning my heat to a medium. I have an electric stove and I have it at 6. I'm bringing this up to a low boil while constantly stirring. The sauce will thicken, and this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. When the sauce coats a spoon, it is ready. Now I'm removing the pan from the heat and stirring in some butter. Cool the dressing to room temperature and refrigerate until cold. It's been about an hour and the dressing is cold. Now I'm adding in the mayonnaise and giving it a good stir. And this is the Amish potato salad dressing. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. My potatoes have completely cooled to room temperature. In a large bowl, I have the potatoes, and I'm adding in some finely diced onions, celery, about 4 large roughly chopped hard-boiled eggs, and some chopped dill pickles, or you could use some sweet dill relish. Adding a little salt, and then pouring over my dressing. I'm using a little of the dressing at a time. You can add the amount of dressing that you like. Some like their potato salad wet, and some like it dry. We like it somewhere in between. The potatoes and eggs will soak up the dressing as it chills in the refrigerator. Give everything a good gentle toss, and be careful not to break up too many of the potatoes. You want them to remain whole as much as possible. I have about 1/4 cup of the dressing left that I'm going to reserve. The potato salad is going into the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, and overnight is even better. This is the potato salad when chilled. You can see some is missing. It was hard to keep everyone away. This is the consistency that we like it, but you can add the additional dressing or even some extra mayonnaise if you like it creamier. This potato salad is a great cold side dish to any meal. Once you make it once or twice, you can adjust the amount of veggies that you like. You can even add in some carrots. Make it your own. Hope you give this Amish Deli style potato salad a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!